anything less, and it's most likely just a cabin cruiser. But hey, who's measuring?
I am! That was a rhetorical question, wasn't it?
Sirius XM's tribute to yacht rock.
Got out of town on a boat on the Southern Islands, sailing the reef for the following sea. She was making for the trades on the outside, and the downhill run to Papa off the wind on this heading line of the Marquesas. You got 80 feet of a water line, nicely making way in the noisy bar. But on a midnight watch I realized why twice you ran away. Think about how many times I've had falling. Spirits are using me, Lord, your voice is calling. What never brought you and me cannot be forgotten. I have been around the world, looking for that woman girl who knows what getting done, and you know it will. When you see the Southern Cross for the first time, you understand now why it's way. 'Cause the truth you might be running from is so small, but it's as big as the promise of a coming day. So I'm saying